Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Haspia Akter, Assistant Teacher, Bibirbajar High School, Adorsho Sodor, Kumilla. My dear students of class 10, welcome to my class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, today we will learn from our English first paper, and that is Unit 7, Lesson 2. You see, there are two pictures. Do you know who is he? He is Parthopratim Mojumdar. A mime actor. I think now you can guess the topic name. Yes, our today's topic is the art of silence, and that is Unit 7. After completing this lesson, you will be able to listen to a text for specific information, describe a person, read and understand text through silent reading, and ask and answer questions. Before going to the text, we will learn some important word meaning. Now let's learn. Primitive. Its Bangla meaning is prachin. Another English word is ancient. Gesture, অঙ্গভঙ্গি, ইঙ্গিত, signal. Evolve, প্রকাশ করা, express. Fascinate, মুগ্ধ করা, and the another English word is charm. Charm is synonyms of fascinate. Depict, বর্ণনা করা, and the synonym is illustrate. Enthusiastically, সাগ্রহে, অধীর আগ্রহে, eagerly. Forerunner, অগ্রদূত, and synonym is pioneer. So now read the text and choose the best answer from the following question. Before you reading the text, I will read the text. Unit 7, Lesson 2. You see there are two pictures of Parthopratim Mojumdar. Now open your textbook at page number 87. I am reading the text. You listen to me carefully and attentively. In the primitive age, communication took place between humans through signs and gestures. As humans began to use their vocal cords, these silent gestures were no longer used as the primary means of communication. But they did not completely disappear. They evolved as a form of art, used to entertain thousands, and came to be known as mime. So, I think you can find the definition of mime. Mime touched a little boy's heart while he was watching a performance in his village. He was so fascinated by the show that he was determined to master this art. He is no other than Parthopratim Mojumdar. Parthopratim is undoubtedly a forerunner in the field of mime in Bangladesh. He started as a musician, and his keen sense of rhythm helped him to let his limbs move and express his surroundings through gestures. Parthopratim Mojumdar is the first Bangladeshi to take up mime as a profession. He performed in a number of television shows in Bangladesh and gained popularity. In his mime, Mojumdar depicted the day-to-day life of the people. There was sadness, tears, as well as happiness and laughter. Mojumdar's turning point of life came in 1979 when he was asked to give a solo performance in Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy. The then French ambassador Louis Moreau happened to be among the audience. The Maurya noticed the talent in Mozumdar. In 1981, the French government offered him a scholarship so that he could get professional training in mime. This was the first time that a student was granted a French scholarship in mime. Mozumdar started his training under the legendary maestro Etienne Deroux. Through Deroux, he met another celebrated mime artist named Marcel Marceau. Marceau has transformed modern mime by taking it to an unimaginable height. Marceau was very impressed by the Bangladeshi young talent and offered him a place in his school for mime, named École Internationale de Mimodrome de Paris Marcel Marceau. This school of mime is the biggest and the best in the world. During his 3 years training period, Mozumdar practiced 16 to 18 hours daily till each and every bone in his body would feel like breaking. After his time with Marceau, there was no looking back for Mozumdar. He staged solo performances in England, Belgium, Germany, Spain, Italy, and the USA. French, Canadian, and American TV channel enthusiastically aired his shows. In 2009, for his role in the popular French drama Mozumdar won the Maurya Award, which is the highest distinction in the French theatre. As a pioneer of the art of mime in Bangladesh and for popularizing the artistic genre, Bangladesh government honored the artist with the highest award of the country called Ekushe Padak in 2010. The government of France has also honored him for his contribution to the art of mime throughout the world with the highest cultural award of France titled Clavier de Idorie des Arts des at this latest night in the Order of Arts and Literature in the year 2011. So, this is the text. Now, you have to choose the best answer from these options. I think you have listened to me attentively, and now you can answer these questions. So please choose the best answer from among these options. First one, before the use space communication took place through, there are 4 options: written, sign, spoken, art. I think you will be agree with me. The answer is sign. In what form have the silent gesture evolved to me? There are 4 options: drama, movie, mime, dance. And I think your answer is mime. In olden times, the actors who performed mime used to play with white paint on their limbs, body, face, hair, and the answer is lamps. So that is the correct answer. Now read the text and answer this question. What is mime? I think if you read the text, you can give these answers. Number B, what helped Partho to express himself clearly while performing mime? Number C, what did he use to describe through his performance at the beginning? D, why was the French ambassador impressed when he saw Mozumdar's performance? All of the answers of these questions have in your text. Please read the text attentively and find out the answer of these questions. And this is your home tasks. Please do this. And now it's time to say goodbye. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.